Pule, please introduce yourself.
Hello, molweni, sanibonani, dumelang.
Molo.
Nakalitso ke nna Pule ka jalo le Mpokote bo ba guys abaginqa zonke isihlahla. Ngingumcwaningi wezilimi zesintu nezabathwa. I'm a researcher in indigenous linguistics and cultural history, and I'm an advocate of the writing systems of the continent, most especially also known as the Timansadi Nduku. And I'm a freelance artist by profession, although I have worked as a researcher in various institutions, like on a contract basis, like worked in government, and I work as a consultant sometimes about African cultural history and linguistics. And I create artistic work with my peers, with my friends, and my colleagues who we've met through the years of being an artist. Like Mwajira knows very well. You meet people.
Oh, you know her.
Yeah. Well, I not personally, but I'm saying the lifestyle of being an artist, of being a freelance artist, and using what skills as a, when we say ubuciko bomlomo, we're saying, the ingenuity and craft of the mouth.
Of the mouth.
Yeah. So now we're saying that is one of the ways that we convey our intelligence and our creativity and our history, and all of those different things are possible to make a living.
All right. Thank you very much.